9 Samachir Max, exercise 1.5, 8th sum. Here, set A, B, and C are given in set builder form. You have to change it into roster form or tabular form. You have to bring out the elements. So, first you consider A. A is given as y is equal to A plus 2 by 2, where A belongs to W. W means whole numbers and the value starts with 0, less than or equal to 5. So, first of all, you have to write what are the values of A. So, A is equal to whole number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. A is less than or equal to 5. So you have to include 5 also. So A value you have found out. This A value has to be substituted in Y value to find out what are the elements of A. So A you first substitute 0. 0 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Next is then A is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 by 2, it is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. That is 2 gets cancelled, so your answer is 1. Next is 2. In the place of A you will substitute 2. So 2 plus, when A is equal to 1, A is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. A is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Now A is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. A is equal to 5 means 5 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So what are the values of A? A is equal to 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3. So these are the values of A. Next you come to B. So B is equal to Y. B is given as Y is equal to 2n minus 1 by 2. N belongs to W and N is less than 5. So Y is equal to 2n minus 1 by 2. N belongs to W and N is less than 5. So first write what are the values of N. N is a whole number, starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You should not include 5 because less than only is given. So N is less than 5 means you stop with 4. Okay, now this N value has to be substituted here. So Y is equal to 2 into, first substitute 0. 0 minus 1 divided by 2. It is equal to 2 into 0 is 0 minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Next is substitute 1. 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Next 2 into 2 minus 1. Then now I have substituted 0. In the place of N, 0, 1, 2. Next 3 and 4 you have to substitute by 2. 2 to 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Next value is 3. 2 into 3 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. Next 2 into 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 8 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. So now what is your B? B is equal to, for all the values, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2. So these are the values of B. Next you have to find out for C. C is equal to, it is given, the values are given for you. Minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2. Now you can start what is being asked. They have asked you to show that A minus B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. So you can write down A minus B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. So first take out your left hand side. So A minus B union C. In that you write what is your B union C. This is your left hand side. A B union C. B union C means B you write. What are the values of B? Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2. Union C is minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2. Union means all the elements have to be written without any repetition. So you write minus 1 by 2, minus 1, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2. You have not written 1, you write, and 2. So this is your answer. This 3 by 2 you have written already. So this is your A, B union C. Next you have to find out A minus B union C. It is equal to, write what are the values of A. A values are 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 1, 2, 5 by 2 3 minus what you have found out now, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 1 by 2 3 by 2 5 by 2 7 by 2 1 comma 2. So common values you cancel, 1 by 2 1 by 2 3 by 2 3 by 2 5 by 2 5 by 2 2 you can cancel, 1 you can cancel, 3 alone you have. So your answer is 3. Answer is 3. Next you can find out the right hand side. So you have to find out a minus b intersection a minus c. So first find out a minus b. This is your right hand side. So a minus b intersection a minus c. So a minus b you find out. A minus b is, a values you write. A is equal to 1 by 2 1 3 by 2 2 5 by 2 3 minus your b is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 3 by 2 5 by 2 7 by 2. So minus common values you cancel. So common values you cancel means 1 by 2 3 by 2 5 by 2. So you have what are left out in a alone you have to write. So what is left out? 1 2 and 3. Your a minus b is 1 2 and 3. Next you have to find out a minus c. It is equal to, a you write 1 by 2 1 3 by 2 2 5 by 2 3 minus your c is minus 1 minus 1 by 2 1 3 by 2 2. So common values you cancel. 2 gets cancelled, 3 by 2 gets cancelled, 1 gets cancelled. You have 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. So 1 by 2 comma 5 by 2. Next you have to find out a minus b intersection a minus c. So you see what is common between both. So 1 2 3 minus 1 by 2 5 by 2, and you have 3 also here, 3. So common means only 3 is common. So your answer is 3. Okay, so left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence